Hi, I'm Aparna Mendes and this is Mr. Pradeep Rawat.
Hello.
And we're about to take you to the wonderful world of UPass. Welcome to the world of UPass, the smart mobile applications for all businesses to effectively manage off-site transaction and personnel. UPass is very easy to use. UPass is for sales and order booking, for field force automation, collection management, and for much more. UPass is currently being used by banks, by telephone companies, by cable TV operators, and by individuals. Let us see just how easy it is to use UPass. UPass uses GPRS to connect the mobile to the backend. The GPRS setting is different for each service provider. See, it's as simple as that. Please note that if you change your SIM or your mobile company, UPass will not work on your mobile phone. You will then require to re-register with us. Kindly cooperate. This is for your own protection. Two other settings are extremely important for you. One is a Bluetooth. The other is UPass applications downloaded onto your mobile and stored in your games folder. This helps to create a shortcut, especially if you are using a single function. Now you are ready to move on to your next step. You may be using only a handset or a handset with a Bluetooth printer. UPass works on all Javas, Windows and Android phones. Please check the compatibility of your handset with a customer care team. Please note that whole devices need to be charged overnight for 2 to 3 hours. In case the printer is not fully charged or the printer develops any other problem, the indicator light turns red. When the printer is fully charged, the indicator light turns green. Changing the paper roll of the printer is also extremely easy. This paper roll has thermal coating only on a single side. You can check by lining here. There is no thermal coating on this side. Hence, ensure that this paper roll is properly inserted into the machine. Open the flap of the printer, drop in the paper roll, pull out 2 to 3 centimeters of the paper, shut the flap tightly. Please handle the phone and printer very carefully. Do not expose to heat or water. If having trouble using the same, do contact a customer care team. Please refer all your questions and your problems to our help desk. Our timings are 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Our numbers are 0970-24-99490, 0970-24-99491, 0970-24-99493, 0970-24-99495. Our email is techsupport@upass.cc. In case your problems remain unresolved for 1 hour, please contact a General Manager, Mr. Pradeep Rawat, at 0970-24-99492. In case your problems are not solved for 3 hours, please contact our CEO, Mr. Sandeep Pimpale, at 0970-29-97028. In case your problems remain unresolved for 6 hours, please contact our MD, Mr. Ravindra Deshmukh, at 0810-89-81089. Now you are ready for the next step. Open the UPass application by clicking on Shortcut or going into the Games folder. Now enter your user ID and password. Please make sure that the uppercase or the lowercase are chosen. Once you commit, the phone will ask you permission to connect to the Bluetooth printer and also the GPRS. Make sure that the Bluetooth printer is switched on. The Bluetooth connectivity indicator light on the lower end of the printer will blink while connecting. Once connected, it will remain steady. Same way, the GPRS or Edge network symbol will appear on the right hand corner of the mobile screen and get circled when connected. Now you can get a test print also. If the GPRS is not working, please check if you have the offline option. Now you are ready to take your work for bill collection. Enter the customer ID or account number and proceed. You can also search for the customer by area, road or building name. The next screen will be billing on top of the menu. Keep on that to find out the customer position. Enter the amount the customer pays by selecting either on cash or on check, as the case may be. If the payment is being made by check, please do not forget to enter the check number and select the bank by the drop-down menu. You need to punch just the first alphabet from its name to see all banks with the name beginning with that alphabet. Once you enter all the details, the confirmation screen will appear. Recheck the amount and commit the transaction. The receipt will be immediately printed for handing over to the customer. Apart from billing, the menu also has buttons for the last transaction you have had, where you can recheck if the transaction is posted. You can also print a duplicate receipt for your last transaction if the first receipt has not come out properly. The collection report or terminal report is for you to see the total collection made in cash or check. You can change your password periodically for your safety. Friends, different applications have different screens. They will work similar to the collection operation. One more screen is there for updating it. Do's and don'ts. Handle phone and printer with care. Charge the phone for 2 hours and the printer for 3 hours daily. Don't take out the SIM card unless told to do so. Do not delete the UPass application and its shortcut. Do not change any settings. Do not share your login ID and password with others and change your password periodically. Check the paper roll in the printer and carry a spare roll. Commit transactions after checking. When in doubt, contact UPass Help Desk. Let me tell you about some of the applications that UPass has. Collection management, sales and order booking, field force automation, image capture and uploading in real time, ticketing, customer relationship management, customer order placement and service request, mobile banking, subscriber management for cable TV and IPTV. Our website is www.upass.cc, www.upasscloud.com. Our UPass clients are telephone companies, banks, financing companies, electricity companies, cable TV operators, agro companies and distributors.